Hey, my HVAC friends, welcome back. Working on a rooftop unit. Just excited to be here, excited for life, excited to do things. So let me turn this camera around and show you we split this coil. We're not in any particular place or environment where we're working. We're just out looking at rooftop units. And what we have here is a condenser coil that's pretty dirty. And I wanted to show you this because on the outside it looks perfectly clean. But on these split coils, that cottonwood ends up getting stuck right in the middle. We'll get this guy cleaned up, do a good job, great job, and then move on to the next one. Stay safe out there.